So today we're going to look at how to control the way in which background apps behave. So we're going to look into that as a way of trying to control data consumption and power consumption for your PC. So we're going to move to the start menu, and then we'll go to settings. Once the setting loads, you'll have to go to privacy. Then scroll down to the very bottom of privacy. Down here we have background apps. Now these background apps are by default set to be on. In my case, they've already been turned off, but in most cases when Windows is installed, these background apps are turned on. As you can see, the information given here, you're told choose which apps can receive info, send notifications, stay up to date, and even when we're not using them. So staying up to date specifically means using your data to get the required updates from the web. So once they're on, these applications can use your data and power. So the first thing, or if you want to turn them off, you can just generally turn off. Like if I turn it on, in this case again, the apps in background are turned on. All the apps will have access to my data and also use power even when I've minimized them. So you can turn this off so that all the applications are turned off, or you can alternatively choose to turn each application on, but first this must be on. So you can alternatively choose to turn the application that you choose that you prefer to remain on for your own use. For instance, if you want the maps or Microsoft Edge, news on, or any other application that you prefer to be on, just turn it on, and you can always turn it off whenever you wish, just by following the very same steps that we've used in that case. I would advise that you turn these applications off because if you're using a measured amount of data or a monthly data subscription that is limited, and you'd love it to maybe help you perform your important tasks without interruptions or having to halt because of data usage, it is advisable that you turn all of them off to conserve your internet and also power in cases where you have maybe you're not using your computer with the data power plugged on, or maybe a desktop computer where you need to use external power to use it. So you make sure you turn this off, and you can always turn it on whenever you need. I think that's for today. Stay tuned, subscribe, and turn on the notification button for more videos.